The United States is in a time of some heavy decisions, some important decisions about important decisions about the primary source of energy that our country runs off of. I know this is starting off kind of abstract, but I promise this leads to something. First of all, think of what is the purpose of this specific machine and how does it accomplish it? As in, what is inputted into it and what is outputted? Alright, well, what about this thing? What is its purpose and what does it use to accomplish that? What do you think these two machines have in common? Well, they both run on fossil fuels, one being gasoline and one being natural gas, both of which have been pretty reliable sources of energy since forever. I mean, we've been burning things long before we drove around with it, so now that technology is advancing to the point of everything basically being a computer in some shape or form, what are our future options? So what do these devices all have in common? Well, they're all powered by electricity, whether it be 120 volts AC, 240 volts AC, or even thousands of volts. They all convert electricity to various other forms of energy, either to give off heat through the air or by contact, or to give off light, which is the most common use today. I mean, this is still stuff that fossil fuels have been doing forever. These fancy electric stoves didn't exist until pretty recently, and I don't remember these crazy MH lamps being available back when Edison tied a string of tungsten between two electrodes in a glass ball with no air in it. So why do we seem to be moving towards electric power to rule them all, instead of sticking with what can be done with existing fuels? Well, in 1973, there was something called the OPEC oil embargo, more commonly referred to as the energy crisis of the 70s. It basically scared everyone into thinking that we're out of oil somehow. Now, prices were outrageous and people started looking for alternatives. Later on, in 1977, then President Jimmy Carter encouraged all U.S. citizens to stop using so much gas. A bunch of environmental wackos, the boomer term for the current generation environmentalist, well, they started putting together plans to help that energy crisis. They started developing solar panels, wind farms, batteries, and more stuff that even goes over my head. So this kept on going for a while, but then, in the 1980s, the era of delightful music and quite garbage camcorders, things started to shift back to what they were like in the 70s. But why though? Well, in 1982, some researchers at Stanford found out that we were totally fine with the whole running out of oil thing. Sort of. I was kind of stuck here with research because if one searches for resources explaining why we aren't running out of oil, there are a lot of articles supporting it. Although, if one researches why we are running out of oil, there are an equal number of articles explaining why renewable energy is the future. Now, before I come to my own conclusions, let's first figure out why these two sides seem so divided. This is the first argument. We aren't in any trouble at all. Most of the research from this argument comes from this 1982 formal report of the U.S. oil and gas supply by Stanford University, and all these groups too. It's really long, and honestly, most of the study even I didn't understand, so I'll just use the executive summary as the basis for my argument. It starts off simply stating that oil and natural gas will continue to be a significant source of energy for the rest of this century. Okay, but how is this claim backed up? Well, there's also a claim stated that a contrary view holds that supply will drastically decline, promptly being addressed by the reasons for that being the economic environment, like price increase and price decontrol, instead of just a lack of supply. Now, there exist two sources for oil and gas supply: existing reserves and newly discovered reserves. It is stated that the existing reserves are certain to be depleted within a decade. That's just unavoidable. But that newly discovered resources are in no short supply and have not varied very much over the decades. At the historical rate, it was estimated that 60 to 70% of the current 1980s levels would be sustained for over a century, and that the solution moving forward is simply technological advancement and unconventional and enhanced oil and gas recovery techniques instead of moving to that renewable stuff. Now, when the study was performed, it was not yet known just how fast technology would start to advance. But now it's to a point that it's looking pretty good for oil and gas reserves in the U.S. these days. And now for the second argument, which says that we really need to move to renewable sources. I'm not trying to really be biased here, but almost every single source I found in favor of renewable energy doesn't necessarily give their source for the decreased production of oil and gas that they claim. I'm sure some do give credible sources, but I just haven't found them. One of the main points for renewable sources is that carbon emissions, or CO2 output, is drastically reduced. Wind, solar, geothermal, and hydroelectric sources of power all output much fewer greenhouse gases because they don't burn fuel. There's also a theoretically endless amount of renewable energy from wind and solar sources. I guess that's where the name comes from, where we will most likely, at some point, whether it be in the next 100 years or 1,000 years, we'll run out of natural gas and oil. The future-proofing part of renewable energy makes the most sense to the U.S. when considering the upgrade. The problem we currently see with renewable sources is that they're just so expensive. Wind farms and solar plants take up a monumental amount of money to start up and don't even account for a large part of the total energy production of the United States. It's estimated that around 4% of all sources are renewable energy sources. Now, that number is almost always guaranteed to go up as technology increases and advances even more. But it seems like oil and gas technology is also advancing at the same rate. It just makes more short-term economical sense to stick with fossil fuels instead of those fancy renewable sources. Now, that's not my opinion. That's just based on the facts that were previously presented. Now, here's my opinion. I'm going to stand right here and talk. This is going to be kind of my spot. I swear I'm only wearing this shirt because the U.S. probably does need to move to renewable energy sources, but slower. No, really, it makes sense to stick with fossil fuels for at least a few more decades, if not over a century. We've already been doing it forever, so by just refining and advancing and enhancing the methods that we use to extract that fuel, the United States could theoretically remain a supplier of fossil fuels for much longer. As for renewable sources, we are definitely going to run out of non-renewables at some point. I emphasize at some point because it will be far into the future based on what we know about current oil reserves and historical rates. Renewable energy sources will continue to get more and more feasible, but for now, I say we just stick with what we have and just keep pursuing renewables in the background because eventually it'll make total sense to go completely green.